Hi everybody, I hope you're well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I took this photograph using the Magbox Pro 42 and this little filter. So, let's crack on. So before we get started in today's video, I must confess that I have basically created this video because I'm doing a YouTube day today with my friend Tony Darcy. I'm going to link to her YouTube channel up here, and she took some amazing photographs of the beautiful Olga over here, and I'll be honest, I was just jealous when I saw them, so I was like, I want to take those photographs as well. So it said, oh, how can I make this into a video? So I thought, oh, I've got this filter, so I can use this and show you what this looks like. Now, I did do a shot very similar to this photograph in Neil's studio where we are today, and again, if you're not familiar with Neil's studio, the link to his studio is here. And in that photograph I created a very dramatic looking portrait using, again, the same setup, the Magbox Pro 42 on this C-stand, placing the Magbox directly above the model. And as you will see in that video, which I'll link to up here, I loved the results. They were really striking. Now I must say as well that the reason I have this filter is because I recently did a shoot at Tankspace in the UK. Now I spoke about Tankspace before on my channel. It's an amazing studio with a huge underwater fish tank, and when I was there I was speaking to one of the Tankspace owners called Robin, and he was taking some really amazing photographs of models in the tank, and I was like, they look amazing, Robin, like what is it you're doing? And he showed me that he was using this filter. Now I can't remember the name of this filter, but I'm going to pop it on the screen here. I bought it from a website called Rigu in the UK, rigu.co.uk, but I just love the dreamy look that it gives you. Now it probably won't work in many circumstances, but in the right situation it can create really different looking dreamy type ethereal images, as you're about to see now. So what we'll do first of all, we'll just take some straightforward shots of Olga using this setup without the filter. So I'll just pop this down on here. Now, as I mentioned, the Magbox Pro 42 is on this C-stand, which is kindly lent to me by Neil. So thank you, Neil, for using this, because I don't have a light stand which would allow me to use this positioning. So I'm very grateful to Neil for letting me do this. And within the Magbox is a Godox V860 speed light. What I love is like the way that we've got Olga positioned on this chair. I'm going to just pull the dress out so that it drapes really nicely, because in the edit that will really help me. So I'm going to just fan out the veil a little bit more. Perfect. So settings wise, I'm actually just stealing Tony's settings, to be honest, which is 1/200th of a second, f3.5, ISO 100. That means that we're not in high-speed sync, so that gives us more flash power. And I'm going to try the speed light at 1/16th, and we'll just see what that gives us. So let's just try this. I'm also on my Sony A9 II with my Sony 85mm f1.8 lens. Perfect. Oh, that looks... Honestly, admittedly, these are not my settings and I've just copied exactly what Tony's just done, but I love the look. This lighting setup is something that I hadn't used before the video that I linked to earlier on, and I absolutely love it. Just the one thing I just need to be mindful of, again, Olga, I'm just asking you just to be slightly looking up if that's okay, just towards that light, just looking up. That's beautiful, perfect. Yeah, that's amazing. I'm just going to drop my aperture to f4 just to take a little bit of the sting out of the speed light. Gorgeous. Really, really nice. I have to say, this is the first time I've ever worked with Olga, and she is amazing. Perfect. So that's what we get when we're just using the 85mm on its own. What I'm now going to do is add on this filter. Now this is going to be a very Marmite look. You'll either like this or you won't. As you can see, there's an area of this filter which is not affected. This is going to basically just make everything very, very soft. So here you go, this is what I see, and what I'm doing now, I'm slowly rotating round, and this is the effect that we get. So it just gives this really nice, dreamy look. Again, all the thanks we find out about this filter go to Robin at Tankspace. So I'm going to try and mirror the position of Olga using the filter. So I think about there. Perfect. Yeah, I really love this. That's really nice there, Olga. Using Olga is almost feels like cheating because all I'm doing is basically pressing the shutter here. Amazing. Just to remind you, all the photographs that you see in my videos were edited using my Lightroom preset pack, which you can download from my website. The pack includes my presets, brushes, magic masks, and a 100-minute editing tutorial video in which I show you exactly how I edit my photographs. I'm also going to go in a little bit closer now. Yeah, these are beautiful. And just looking up for me, please, Olga. What I would normally do, because I absolutely love what we've got so far, what I would normally do at this point in the shoot is actually change my lens. But I can't do that because the filter will only fit my Sony 85mm because of the filter thread. So I've got to keep on shooting with this. So that's it, Olga. When you look up, it looks amazing. That's perfect there. Beautiful. It's also funny as well because I'm trying to basically fill the frame with Olga, but I want to make sure that I've got quite a bit of space around Olga because that's where the ethereal look comes in. Gorgeous. And just looking up there, that's it. Yes, beautiful. Let's go even closer. It's really important to remember when you're using a filter like this that they will tend to only work in very limited situations. I don't think this would work well all the time, but in the tank at tank space, as you'll see in this photograph, and here, it seems to work really well. Yeah, and gorgeous, Olga. Again, just looking up for me with your eyes. That's it, yeah. Really, really nice. That, I love this filter.
That is amazing.
Yeah, look at that, Olga, with this weird effect.
Wow.
Oh.
Really so good.
Yeah, it's all down to this little piece of plastic. I'll take a couple more from the back and then we'll be done. As I said at the beginning of the video, this is not even my setup, this isn't really even my day. This is me stealing Tony's settings. So please do go and check out her YouTube channel and follow her as well. Because she's been making some amazing videos today. It was pure jealousy, seeing Tony's shots and thinking, I want that as well. Perfect. So thank you so much for watching this video. A huge thank you to Olga for modeling, to Neil for the use of this amazing space, and to Tony, not just for filming this video, but also for letting me gate crash her shoot and basically steal her settings. And for everything I've done here is me just gate crashing a shoot. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please do let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to answer everyone. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you next time. Now this is going to be like a very Marmite type filter in the sense of you'll probably either like this or you'll be like, that's horrible. But I'm going to see what, I could do this bit again. It's going to create like a very dreamy, ethereal look. Get on. Actually, now I'm going to change that.